So today I'm going to be doing my very first freaking tutorial. And I know this is going to be a mess, but, you will learn something from this, okay? Okay, so I'm here to show you how I created this 2000 glow effect that I usually use for my animations, like you see right there. So now we're just going to go ahead and skip to the line art, because that's the most important part. This is just the sketch you looking at right here. This is just a sketch. So anyway, I'm actually going to go ahead and lay out this video. I'm at timestamps in the description box. You can actually like skip to the part, or you can just watch this whole entire video. It don't matter, because this is my first video, and I do plan on like, just yapping for the first video, okay? Okay, let me just yap for a minute. As you see, I'm using a program. I'm using a program called Krita. I cannot recommend that enough. Like, it is such a freaking good program. I love it. It's for anyone. Anyone and all people. And the brushes on there are so freaking goated. Okay, those brushes, those Krita brushes are good. I just feel like it's so underrated. Like, I rarely see people talk about Krita. It's always either Photoshop or Clip Studio Paint. Krita needs their love and attention too. As you see, I'm making line art of my OC. This is my OC. Her name is Lizzie. And Lizzie is actually like she's very aggressive, an aggressive type of person. I would say that she is aggressive, right? But she does it with love, tough love. Yeah. Her other friends are Roxy and Gabby, you see on the screen. Roxy is like, she likes to play music, she's like a musician type of girl. Guitar. But Gabby, on the other hand, she doesn't really have any hobbies. And I feel like out of all of the girls that I usually draw, I like Gabby the most because she has pink hair. That's the only reason why I like her. I don't really like care about the personality. Like, she's dumb, bro. I'm not gonna lie. She's a dumb girl. But the design that I thought of, it was just like really freaking cute that she had like pink hair. And, like, she's so cute. Like, there's no reason for you to be this cute, but that's stupid. Like, Anyways, let's go back to Lizzie because we're drawing her. So Lizzie is like, yeah, she's aggressive girl. She likes to box. I don't know, probably like a way to like relieve stress, I guess. Like, she's usually stressed out, like, I ain't gonna lie. But she also has a girlfriend, and her name is Aubrey. And Aubrey is like an introverted type of girl. Like, she loves to eat food. She doesn't really like hang out that much. She's very shy. But when she's with her girlfriend Lizzie, she's like, oh my gosh, I love you, I love you. So, oh my gosh. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's their relationship. No, oh yeah, and Lizzie also has a little sister. Yeah, I named her Lena. She's like the girl who's making fun of Lizzie all the time. She's like, oh my gosh, Lizzie is so freaking lazy. She doesn't clean her room. She's like so weird. Gabby really likes Lena. So what she does is like, she's like, oh my gosh, Lena, you're so freaking adorable. Yes, I love you. And then Lena's like, girl, you need to like pipe it down because you're treating me like a kid, and I'm not a kid, even though she is a kid. But she's like, you're treating me like a kid. And it's like, girl, like, you're so freaking annoying and weird. And so like, I did make an animation where she freaking threw like nachos at her. But that's the lore. Anyways, let's go back to the tutorial. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm just yapping. Okay, so as you see, I'm finished with Lizzie, the drawing part. So what I'm going to do is separate, make another layer for the background. So it's going to be the background, and then it's going to be the character. It's going to be separated, like, in different PNGs. So right now I'm working on the background, and you see, I was kind of like going for the dreamy look you usually see in like anime. So that's me making the background for this tutorial. I also used the blur effect that's on Krita. So, yeah, that is something pop. And I also want to say, if you're like new to drawing, I think that, I'm not trying to be like oh, you should do this, you should do this, but I think that you should do stuff that pleases you. Like, if you think it looks good, then just do it. If it looks good in your eyes, do it. Period. I'm not gonna be like, oh, you should do this. You should make this look like this. You shouldn't do that. You should actually make it look like how you want it to look like. If it looks good in your eyes, then it looks good in your eyes. That's how you make art. But anyways, make it transparent. If you want to know what a transparency is, that's when it looks like checkers. Now we're gonna go ahead and open up freaking After Effects. Now these are my After Effects settings. I'm gonna zoom up a little bit. These are my settings that I used for After Effects. You don't have to use these exact settings, but this is for what I use for the tutorial to get that like small box screen, whatever. So now we're going to press OK. Come on, girl. Come on. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to go ahead and click and drag the PNGs onto the After Effects. Now it's on After Effects, and oh my gosh, you freaking did it! You're on step 1 of the tutorial. So right here, this is unnecessary right now. I don't know why I did all this. I don't know why that I had to do that, but this isn't necessary. I'm just like aligning it so it can look, I guess, like pleasing. I don't know. Freaking, it's all about the imagination. It's all about the imagination. So yeah, gosh. So we're just like aligning it, having it move, because that's what animation is all about. It's about moving pictures. So if you have your character, make sure you like go ahead and go to the effects and presets tab and go to Gaussian blur. I think that's how you say it, pronounce it. Gaussian blur. And then you're going to add it to the clip, and then you're going to blur it up. Blur it all the way up. It don't matter the number or amount. Then on that clip you're going to go to the blending mode and you're going to set it to lighter color. So then you're going to duplicate it, which is Control D. Go ahead and make the blending mode for the one at the bottom normal. And then I'm going to get rid of the Gaussian blur. You can also like edit the opacity by clicking T and just lowering the opacity and just messing with the blur. Oh, for the layer on top though, not the one at the bottom. It looks like that. You're kind of done for real. Like that's really literally it. But if you want to be extra, we can show you how to be an extra. So we're gonna have an adjustment layer on the top, and then we're going to search up Lumetri Color. Now Lumetri Color is really powerful. It's like a color corrector. Put that on the adjustment layer. Then I'm going to add a glow effect. So what we're going to do is just adjust the glow settings. As you can see, I'm just like making it how I want it to look like. That's how you do it. We're going to mess with the curves in Lumetri Color. Here we go with the curves again. Here we go. We're just going to mess with the curves and make it look like how you want it to look like. So I'm just like really just like testing, trial and error. Okay? Trial and error is what we're doing. So now, if you want it to look like a VHS type, I don't know if it's VHS, but these examples right here, if you want it to look like that, I'll show you a plugin that you can download that's really good to make your edits or animations look like this. We're going to go to Google and we're going to search up NTSC freaking After Effects plugin, and then we're going to go ahead and go to the website. First thing you're going to see is the website, and then you're going to go ahead and download it. So click download and then click After Effects / Premiere plugin. Then it's going to be a zip file. Then we're going to unzip it to the desktop, and then you're going to see this little file that is in .aex file inside the folder. So now we're going to go back to the website and then copy this whole thing where it says C program / file / Adobe Common, whatever. You're going to copy that and then paste it to your file explorer address bar. Then we're going to go ahead and click and drag the AEX file into the folder, and boom, you got it. You got it. Make sure you save your After Effects project and exit it. Okay? And then you're going to reopen it because that's where the filter is going to, you know, pop up. So we're just going to reopen it. Let's go ahead and reopen it and wait. Now we're going to add in another adjustment layer, and you can go to Stylize and NTSC. Have I been saying NTSQ? I don't know. NTSC, or you can just search up NTSC and it will be right there. Then we're going to go ahead and add it to the adjustment layer, and then you got it, baby! You got it! You got it! And that's literally it. But you can also just edit the settings to make it look blurry or sharper. But also, I want to say, when you make it look blurry, the color is kind of like offset. So it's going to like move to the right. I'll show you how to bring it back. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down to where it says Chroma Delay Horizontal. You can move it back. I don't know how far you want it to be moved back, but you can move it back. I put it to like negative 26.50. And that's literally it. You can change the freaking tape, whatever. You can change anything about the freaking filter. You can make the bottom. At the bottom, you see like how it's like glitching. You can literally turn that off if you click head switching and tracking noise, and boom, that's literally it. Then afterwards, I just pre-composed it and I added another Lumetri color just so I can colorize it. It don't really matter. It's all up to the eye, your own eye. If you want it to look like how you want it to look like, that's literally it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be posting more art videos in the future, but let me know what kind of videos you want or any type of tutorials you want. I don't know if I did good with this tutorial. I don't know. I hope I did. Have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good evening. Bye!